Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to block someone on WeChat. First, open WeChat on your mobile device. Then tap on any contact you want to block. Then tap on the three dots on the top right corner of your screen. Then go ahead and tap on the profile icon right here. Then again tap on the three dots on the top right corner of your screen. You'll see an option to block. Go ahead and turn that on. Then tap on OK. And that's it. Now you know how to block someone on WeChat. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time.